There you are. Far, far away, in a small corner of planet Wimbledonia, lies the enchanted garden of Baron von Beardmondy, the ever so slightly nefarious and permanently pissed off. Right, thought I'd make a small documentational vlog, video, whatever, to document my workshop before I do any work on it and change it forever. Come hither. Cover's blown off the RG again. Ugh. Right, here it is. Front aspect. And that's for you, Mr. Bloody Gnome. Yes, you're fired. Right. Here's the crime scene. Here's my lathes, what's left of them, milling machine, Myford Super 7, and my poor Harrison 11, Big George. And just look at that. Evidence of demonic activity. My Pasita pillar drill and my poor bloody bench. Look at it, bowed with all the heat. Oh God. Right, and there's the oxygen and the acetylene bottles that nearly went up and blew the place to smithereens, but not quite. Right, back out. There's what's left of my old RG. Look at it, bloody hell. And here we are, on our way to the back alley. There's the old back part of the shed. Yeah, there's some stuff over, snuffled bricks, timber. Well, there we are. That's your lot.